Every year at CES, we see things we've never seen before. This year, this one is about 35 miles away from Las Vegas. It's the very first airport for drones.
You used to only hear the wind in the Nevada desert, but now that sound you hear is what some people call the future. The El Dorado drone port consists of around 50 acres of Nevada desert, a 500-foot runway, terminal building, an area for testing and training, and lots of potential.
This is phase one. Phase 1B is actually a 40,000 foot or 40,000 square foot terminal building that focuses in, the crews and concessionaires and things you'd normally see in an airport.
Is there really a need for an airport just for drones? Well, if the industry is correct, over the next 9 years, drones will create over 100,000 high-paying jobs. But right now, drones can only fly 20, 25 minutes tops, so drones that fly here stay here. That will change someday, probably soon, so drones can take off here and land at another drone airport miles away.
So we actually do expect, and I've talked to Amazon about this, that at some point one of their distribution centers will have a drone pad, and that will have certain requirements and certain build-out restrictions that are standardized across every drone pad in the United States.
And as companies like Amazon begin making deliveries with drones, there's a good chance we'll start seeing other drone airports pop up around the country, and they'll all take a lesson from this Aerodrome just outside of Las Vegas in Boulder City, Nevada. I'm Jamie Tucker, and that's What the Tech.